tear my top off. Oh, I can't see what you did there. I'm gonna tear your top off. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is an unboxing video of the Boxy Charm Premium. I'm also doing a giveaway in this video at the end, so if you guys are interested in the giveaway, just keep watching. But let's start with the BoxyCharm. If you guys are unaware, BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription service, and it is $35 extra a month on top of your normal $25 BoxyCharm box. So it is a little bit extra, but it does come with a lot more products. I can't exactly remember how much it comes with. I think regular BoxyCharm comes with $120, and I think this BoxyCharm Premium is a $175. So let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, because I don't have my phone next to me. I have no clue where it is. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are interested in this look, this is coming up soon on my channel. It's part of a Cleona Cosmetics 3 looks video for their 66.5 North collection. So there's no lashes. It is so hot in the summer. Lashes are just going to fall right off my face. So let's get into this. BoxyCharm Glam Vibes Only is the theme this month. Here is the little pamphlet that it comes with. So let's go over the first thing. The first thing is Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette, and this is $46. By the way, if you hear something, my daughter is playing with blocks in the room right next to me, so, you know, kids. So this is the Queen palette by Eloise, and this is one of the giveaway items. I did not use this. I am opening it just to show you guys the colors. So here is the colors. These are kind of like the ABH sized pans, so they don't have a ton of product in each one, but there is a lot of colors to choose from. There's 20 in here. So if you guys are interested in this item, this is one of the giveaway items. The next thing is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, and this is the Coconut Gel Highlighter, and this is in the shade Tantalize. So this was actually one of the add-ons, and it is supposed to be suitable for all skin tones because it has this rose gold hue that gives you a warm radiance, apparently. I don't really ever reach for these types of things. It was just the last thing available, so I had to get it. The other things weren't available. So I don't really reach for stuff like this. The liquid highlighters, I'm not a fan. So I'm going to also be putting this in the giveaway. It is brand new. It'll be in the box. I haven't even opened the top, but I'll show you guys the top here so you guys can see. I am not going to swatch this because it is a giveaway item, so if you guys want to see that on my skin tone, I'm so sorry. It says it's suitable for all skin tones though. So this will be perfect for anyone who enters and is wanting this as well in the giveaway. The next item is the Emma Hardie Brilliance Facial Oil. This is hydrating and lightweight. It's supposed to soothe and purify skin, while Camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage, and this is $55. So here is that. I also am not opening this because it has a sticker on both sides, so I'm just going to keep this in the box and just put it straight into the giveaway. It does say it's an overnight treatment, increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, and has antioxidant protection. So a sleeping oil is so nice because you just put it on, you go to bed, and then you wake up and you wash your face, and hopefully you guys see a difference with this. The next thing is the Kitsch Ice Roller. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily for best results. So here is the Kitsch Roller, and this is one of the things that I am keeping. It feels super cold when you roll it on your skin, but when you touch it, it's not cold at all. It's the weirdest thing. So I actually love these. I have a jade roller, and I use that one all the time. This one's a little bit bigger though, so I think this would be really cool to do for legs, arms, neck, stuff like that. So I'm excited about this, and this is something that I will probably include in my daily skincare routine because I love rollers. I just think they're great for pushing serums into your face, and they help with inflammation, and they're just really relaxing and spa-like. The next is Milk Makeup Highlighter. This is $28. This is a dewy everyday champagne pearl hued cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. So here is that. I actually have, I don't really use this because I actually own one already. It's a smaller size. This is the shade Lit. And I have it and I don't use it. So I definitely will not ever use this because I don't even use the first one. I'm not saying it's a bad product. I'm just not a fan of cream or liquid highlighters. Maybe you can add them to your lotions, like, you know, the Marc Jacobs one, and make your skin look super glowy that way. This one you probably can put on as a base before your foundation, and it'll make you look a lot more radiant. But I just don't really use the one that I already have, so I'm going to put this one in a giveaway. It is taped on both sides, so I am not going to take it out and show you guys. It's just going to be fresh in the box here. The last thing is Frank Body Cinnabons Scrub. This is $18.95, and it says, give your skin the love it needs to fight winter breakouts, dryness, and blues with antibacterial properties and natural ingredients. So it exfoliates, fights breakouts, tones, and smooths skin. It's made with roasted coffee grounds, sweet almond oil, honey, and cinnamon. That sounds... I can't wait to open this, actually. Yes, taking a bath after this because you sound delicious. Tear my top off. Oh, I can't see what you did there. I'm gonna tear your top off. Oh my. So here is the box total. If you guys have Boxy Premium, let me know what you guys got, if you guys enjoyed your box this month. And that's all I have for this video. If you guys would like to enter this giveaway, just let me know your favorite product in today's box. It's the easiest thing ever. You have to be subscribed to me and have your subscriptions on public so I can see that you're subscribed. And that's it. It's open internationally, so I will send out 4 of these goodies to, you know, one lucky winner. I'm going to give you guys 2 weeks to enter. So this is going to end on the 21st. And I will be contacting you through the information that you leave me to contact you through on the 21st, and you have 24 hours to respond, and that's it. Super easy giveaway. If you don't respond within 24 hours, I'm just going to go ahead and pick another person, and I will pin the winner in the comment section. So just a quick recap, the winner will receive the Emma Hardie Brilliance Facial Oil, the Milk Makeup Highlighter, the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, and the Queen palette from Eloise. But that's all I have for this unboxing, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye!